Hey guys, let us continue with the world history series. In that, today's topic is Industrial Revolution. So, Industrial Revolution it basically happened. The 1.0 happened in 1750 to 1850s. So, it started in UK, IR 2.0 in 1860s to 1950s. The first one is related to steam engine, that is mechanization. Second one is related to electricity, mass production. Third one is related to information and communication technology, 1970 to 2000. Fourth one is related to AI, robotics, etc. By experimental science, it will lead to invention and it will further increase the production. So, what is industrial revolution? Advanced technique introduced by experiment or science in the process of production. So, what are the means of production? We all know land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. In that land, in the fourth industrial revolution, we have virtual companies, and in case of labor, we have work from home, contractual adaptation, etc. And then for capital, we have investment by public fund, angel investment, etc. And for entrepreneurs, we have startups. India is the third in the startup community. What are the nature of revolution? First one, new technology like textile machinery, steam engine. And the second one, it is related to mineral resource, relying on coal. Third one, working in factory, domestic system, agri revolution, division of labor, etc. And the last one is new transportation method like steamboat, macadam road, etc. And this is a question which was asked in 2013. Why did Industrial Revolution 1 occur in England? And then discuss the quality of life of people there during the industrialization. How does it compare with India at present? So we have to discuss about Industrial Revolution happened in England and the quality of life of people there, and we have to compare it with India's current scenario. So why Britain? Because it happened in Britain because they had large finance by looting from various countries, then invest in industries which is called mercantilism, then enclosure movement, agri revolution, all these happened, and drill machine was discovered by J. Tull, and then sheep breeding by Robert Bakewell, and then mineral resource abundance led to coal and iron, then stable government backed by mighty navy. Then they had cash crop cultivation like cotton, indigo, tobacco, etc., which gave them good money also. Then water transport, railway engine. So who is the father of railways? George Stephenson. Then tar plus asphalt was used for macadam road. So like this they were having new small and minor inventions also. Then communication system, they had very good communication system. Then, now we are going to talk about that is why we had industrial revolution in Britain. If we talk about the quality of life, wide prevalence of child labor was there. In 1802 Act, people had to work for 12 hours per day. And in the 1933 Factories Act, 4 days holiday per month were given. Then human right violation happened. Gender stereotype division was there. Men are meant to do war, women for household work, etc. Then lame education. There is no innovation. So this is Britain. Golden. So the coastal areas, all those things. Before the industrial revolution, it was just like that. Whereas after the industrial revolution, it became mineral rich areas. And there was also concentration of population in mineral rich area. These are the quality of life in the people, which was not so good. If we compare it with India, in India we had in child labor was prevalent even in our country, like mechanic shop, tea shop, etc. Children were working, and then human rights violation were also there, like sterlite, eviction of tribes in Jharkhand, those things were happening. Then gender stereotype were also here, like girls were meant for teaching, etc. Then education, again it was mere rote learning education. And mineral rich, we also had Chotanagpur Plateau in Jharkhand. Then sites of metropolitan city in, where information is considered as currency. So these are some of the similarities between the people living in UK and India that time. And the next one is about the Luddite movement. So what is this? Breaking of weaving mission. It's called Luddite movement. Protest against loss of job due to industrial revolution, which is called Luddite movement. The labor started breaking down the weaving mission. Next one is Chartist movement. To get political right for working class. It's called Chartist movement. This is kind of socialistic trend. 1838 to 58, 6 reforms happened. What are they? Voting power for 21 years. All the people who attain 21 years should get voting power. Secret ballot. Then no property qualification for standing in the post of MPs. Then payment of MPs by government. Equal constituencies based on population. Annual parliament election. So these are some of the reforms happened in the Chartist movement. They are political reform for working class. Then spread to other part of the world. Industrial revolution, it later spread to countries like USA in 1800s, then UK, after Napoleon, in France and Germany also, then later to Africa, China, after Mao. Then what is the influence of industrial revolution on the world? Urbanization phenomena. So it kind of made places, rural places into urbans. Then mass production of goods was there. New science invention and many scientific discoveries were also seen. Transfer of knowledge. Then transition from agrarian to industrial economy to service-based economy. Two ideological fights were prominent, capitalism and socialism, and the nationalistic tendencies were increasing. So this is how the world scenario was there during industrial revolution. So that's all for today. Thank you.